Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, I am from the JAWI Tech. Okay, today we from the JAWI Tech would like to present to you about our product, thermal charger power bank. Okay. First of all, for the introduction, we would like to tell a bit introduction for our product. Okay, nowadays electricity consumption is very vital and important in the human activity. Most of the human activity is depend on the electrical appliance. Without electricity, most of the human activity will be affected. So, in certain situations, such as absence of electrical power supply, in certain condition, if the official supply from the TMB from the TMB and other electrical supplier absent, such as for the disaster, such as stranded in the remote island, the electricity will be cut off from the human life. So this is where the situation of our product come handy. So we would like for the current problem and issue that related with our product. First issue is outage of power supply. For the second issue is limited option to gain or obtain the source of electricity. Next, the third problem related with our product is wasted heat energy and not being utilized wisely. So, to reduce and to overcome this problem, we would like to introduce our product, which is thermal charger power bank, where you can power up anywhere and anytime. Okay, for the design, our design is a bit same with other conventional type of power bank, but our design come with few extra detail, which is thermal electric generator at the right panel in front of the power bank, and blue thermal electric generator at the bottom of the power bank. For the cool side, our power bank has similar feature with other products such as battery indicator, USB port, and power button. Okay, for the isometric value, as you can see here, is the red plate for the TEG power thermoelectric generator for the hot side, and at the bottom for the blue color is for the cool side. Okay, for the future of our product. Okay, first feature of thermoelectric power thermal charger power bank is can turn heat energy at least about 30 degree of Celsius and above to electric power. Next is have big capacity of electric power storage battery. Next is suitable for charging electrical device with low electrical consumption such as phone, tablet, laptops, and other apps. Okay, next feature is portable and easy to carry anytime and anywhere. It is because our product is very lightweight. It's about 300 gram, and the dimension about your normal cell phone. Okay, the important feature of our product is very rugged with shockproof and waterproof. The feature come handy when the situation that involve outdoor activity and emergency use. Okay, for the technical detail of our product, the TEG plate that being used by our company for this product is TEG 1263.6343. Okay, for the battery capacity of our thermal charger power bank is about 50,000 milliampere hour. Okay, for the output power, there will be 5.3 volt from the TEG panel that will be charged the power in the power bank. Okay, from the power bank to the USB port, there will be 2.1 ampere that charge the electrical device that connected with our product. Okay, there are 3 LED that will be function as battery capacity indicator, and our weight of the thermal charger power bank is about 300 gram, And the dimension of our product is 20 cm for the length, 8 cm for the wide, and 1.5 cm for the head of the product. Okay, one of the important technical detail that we want to highlight is about the material of our product. First material that being used for our product is silicone cover. Silicone cover will be covered from the front and back of the power bank. And the second material is aluminium cover between top and bottom of the TG plate. Both of the material give very effective, waterproof and shockproof that can improve our durability of the product. Okay, the limitation of our product is the time for charging its battery is higher compared to the time charging from the normal power bank. The next limitation is the capacity of electrical power can be stored is only 50,000 milliamp. This is because our product is very small and light dimension, so we cannot store more than 50,000 milliamp. Next is it only can charge one device at a time because we only provide one USB port only. Okay, for the last limitation is the more chargeable bank only can utilize heat energy for charging with at least temperature of 30 Celsius. With the temperature below the 30 Celsius, our product cannot produce the electrical energy.
Pricing. For the pricing of the product, the company just take necessary profit for survival of the company to make sure consumers get good price based on the performance of the product for the first year. Next is distribution and sale tactics. The location of this company is mainly the Pusat Perindustrian Shah Alam Selangor. The management facility and manufacturing facility combined in one building in order the reduced cost of operation. For sale tactics, the company would like to utilize agent and electronic vendor as platform to make sales. Next, service and warranty policy. The duration of warranty for the thermal charger power bank is 1 year after the consumer buy the product, which evident from the receipt, and only valid if no intervention or modification of the product by implemented by the consumer. There will be free charge for repairing the product and will be replaced with new one. The product is beyond repair. Next, promotion. First, the company would decide to develop an official website of company in order to promote in detail about the company and product, which is because nowadays internet is at the fingertips of consumer. For first year, the website and social media become the main media to attract agent and to promote the product. This company also joined the sport reality show like Explorers and Marathon as sponsor to attract more target customer. Next is advertisement, branding and copyright. Next, for the next is poster advertisement. Next, okay. Next is target market. There are two type of target market. First is for outdoor activities, and second is for emergency use. Next is market size. Based on the article stated by Bernama, quote from former Youth and Sport Minister Khairi Jamaluddin Abu Bakar said that only 40% in Malaysians adopted a healthy lifestyle by making sport as a culture. So, based on the article, we can conclude that among of 22.58 million people, only 40% are actively involved and practicing sport as lifestyle. Next, 40% from 22.58 million is about 9.03 million people. From this amount, we only estimate only 3% will be our target market, since not all sport involve outdoor activities. So 1% from 9.03 million is about 90300 people. So our target market trend is about 90,300 people. For competitor, there are two competitors that can compete with thermal charger power bank. There are TEG generator for wood stove and candle tea light power TEG. For the comparison of material, thermal charger power bank use aluminium with silicone cover. For the TEG generator for wood stove use metal material, and candle tea light power TEG is use plastic and metal material. For comparison for output power, thermal charger power bank produce 2 watt for TEG and 2.1 ampere for USB port. For TEG generator for wood stove, the product produce 15 watt, and for candle tea light power TEG only produce 800 milliwatt. For sources of charging operation, thermal charger power bank, USB and place anywhere beside or top of heat source. For TEG generator for wood stove, the product can be placed on the top of the heat source, such as a wood stove. And for the candle tea light power TEG, it can convert only the heat of candle to electricity. For comparison of durability and capability, for thermal charger power bank, it is shock and waterproof and can store electric power into battery. For TEG generator for wood stove, it no durability available, and it can generate large electric power. And the last is candle tea light power TEG. This product no durability available, and it can generate electric power with little heat.
Next is about the market share. So for the target consumer is about around 90,300. So for the first year, our target for penetrate the market is around 1.5% only. Okay. As we know that the market share for the product, the TEG mark is around 38%. For the electronics is 19%, and the TE tech is around 28%, and others is 14%. So the market size formula is 90,300 will multiply with 250. So the total market size is around 22,575,000. Okay, next is product market share and sales. Okay, as we know that for the first year 2019, our target is 1.5%. So from the market, The total unit sale is around 1,355. So the total sales for the first year is around 338,625. So for the second year, the 2020, our target market is around 3%. So the total market size is remain the same to 22,575,000. Then the total sales is around 2,709. So the sale for the second year, it will be 677,250. Then for the third year, our share market in the market, it will be around 5%. So it will be around total sales in unit is around 4,515, and the total sales in RM 1,128,750. Okay, next is about the management team. For the general manager, it will be the Ahmad Umar bin Mohamad. For the financial manager, it will be Muhammad SYAZWAN bin NORHISHAM, and the manager marketing is Muhammad FIRDAUS, and operation manager is me, Muhammad NAJMI bin FARID WAJDEE. Okay, next is about the responsibility for each position. Okay, for the general manager, it will take every responsibility to all of the team. Second, the responsibility is to coordinate the project and planning well all the objectives and needs to be achieved. The leads the strategy, thinking the group for the best decision for the company movement and direction in the future. Okay, next is for the financial manager, which is Muhammad SYAZWAN. Okay, the duties is to provide the cash flow and financial report, to estimate the cost and secure in conjunction with every activity that company will involve, and involve the process raising capital for development of the company, and lastly is to lead the financial management for the company. Okay, about the marketing manager. Okay, the duty is to analyze on target market and available with the product deployment. Next is to analysis about the market situation with the suitable product, and lastly is to analyze the forecasting on the market size, market share. Okay, last, which is the operation manager, is to provide the timeline operation about the duration required to fully develop and the introduce of the product, and it will lead to the management team and involve the quality control and analysis the product. Okay, next is about the monthly salary for four of us. Okay, first is 3,000 for the Ahmad Umar, which is our general manager. Our salary is 3,000, and the financial manager, this is Muhammad SYAZWAN, is 2,250. Next is the marketing manager, which is Muhammad FIRDAUS, is 2,250, and also me as a operation manager, 2,250 also. Okay, for our project, we have two consultants. We have first consultant R&D consultant, and second is manufacture and maintenance consultant. Okay, for the R&D consultant will provide guide and laboratories for the process of the research and development, and the manufacturer, it will provide the suitable manufacture equipment that fulfill the requirement and equipment for the product manufacturing process. Next is about the professional advisor. We have two professional advisor. First, Intellectual Property Corporation of Malaysia. Okay, for the Intellectual Property Corporation of Malaysia, the service that provide for us is to consult the advisor for the protection and intellectual property, provide the guideline for the company on protection intellectual property of the product, and third is to certificate of grant or patent for the product have been developed. This is very important to protect our product. Okay. Second is AG consultant service. For the AG consultant accounting service, the consulting advisor for accounting management. Second is to provide the accounting service for the preparation for full set account and other account related to tasks and job scope, such as handling account receivable, account payment, and bank reconciliation. Okay, for the funding, okay, we got the fund from the MARA business financing scheme. So the objective for the financing is to encourage more Bumiputra participants in business, as well enhance the quality of Bumiputra entrepreneurs in small and medium business industries. Okay, the maximum financing rate is 4% per annum, and the maximum financing is 500,000. And here is the eligibility criteria that have been fulfilled. So first is Bumiputra, and it must be Bumiputra because it is MARA, and then the necessary license from the authorized authorities to operate the business, provide their own 10% of the project cost, full time in running in the business, and required to attend the entrepreneurial course if the experience is less than 6 months. Okay, for the MARA, our loan is around 70,000, and then the rest is 30,000 is from 4 of us. So that Ahmad Umar, it will invest, the ownership is around 40%, which is 12,000, and Muhammad FIRDAUS 20%, and the investor he will be invested around 6,000, and the SYAZWAN also as a financial manager will invest around 6,000, and also me as an operation manager will invest is around 6,000. All of us is 20%, but only Umar is around 40%. Okay.
Now we discuss about the startup cost and working capital. There are 3 budget which should be discussed in this business, which is the administration budget, operation budget, and marketing budget. First, we look at the administrative budget. For the fixed asset, we use 90,000 ringgit for include the office equipment, furniture, and the renovation of the office. Next, the working capital of this project is 10,000 988 ringgit. It include the general manager salaries, the financial manager salaries, and the rental deposit of the office. So the total up of the administrative budget is 32,488 ringgit. Next. Next, we go to the operation budget. For the fixed asset, we use the money about 10,000 to buy the machine. Next, the working capital of this business is include the raw material, the salaries of the operation manager, 3 operation staff salaries, and the EPF and so. It is about 27,061 ringgit, and the total up of the budget is 42,561 ringgit. For the marketing budget, is the fixed asset is include the signboard and website. It's around 2,050 ringgit. For the working capital for marketing budget is include the salaries, traveling expense, and the promotion. It's about 5,700 ringgit, and the others is for pre-operation expenditure, which is 2,000 ringgit. For the total of marketing budget is 10,200 ringgit. So the project implementation cost of this business can be total up, and the total cost for this business is 100,374 ringgit. Okay. For the estimate startup capital is 100,000, 347 ringgit for estimation of startup capital. And for the loan here mean funding from MARA, is government funding business scheme. So this is about 70,374 ringgit. For our own contribute for this business is around 30,000 ringgit. Is divided with our group for 4 members of the group. For the term of the loan, the interest rate of the MARA is 4%, and loan duration of this loan is 15 years, and the interest payment method is the flat rate. This is the cash flow statement. For the first year, the total of the cash inflow is 659 and 374 ringgit, and the total cash outflow is 556 and 484 ringgit, and the cash surplus for this business for the first year is 102,000 and 1,880. Next, we go to the income statement of this project. For the gross profit of the first year is 280,000 and 468 for the first year, and the total expenditure is 221,000 and 871 ringgit. So the net profit before tax we use about 58,597 ringgit. So include the tax, the net profit after the tax is 49,807 ringgit. The income statement for the next year is balance of for the next 2 and 3 years for in future. Now we go to the balance sheet of this business. Balance sheet is the most important part in the business account. Now the total asset for the first year is 176,890 ringgit, and the total equity and liabilities is 175,890 ringgit. We can show that the balance between the asset and the equities and liabilities for the first year. This business is in good condition. Same goes to the second year and the third year. Lastly is about the project milestone. Project milestone is show the development process of the business. It start with the incorporation of the venture of the business until the delivery of first sale of the product will be finished at the 31 August 2019. That's all from us. Thank you.